In the rapidly evolving world of technology, the unveiling of a new flagship device is always an exciting event. Today, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated showdown between two titans from Samsung's tablet lineup, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra and its predecessor, the Tab S8 Ultra. We'll take a comprehensive look at the exciting new features and upgrades that Samsung has introduced, guiding you through the decision-making process. Is the upgrade from the Tab S8 Ultra to the Tab S9 Ultra truly worth it? Let's embark on this tech journey and explore every facet of these tablets, analyzing their design, display, software, performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and more. At first glance, the Tab S9 Ultra might look eerily similar to its predecessor, the Tab S8 Ultra. However, upon closer inspection, subtle differences start to emerge. Samsung has ventured into the realm of elegance, introducing a classic beige variant that sets the Tab S9 Ultra apart from the single graphite color of its predecessor. But the real game changer is the durability factor. The Tab S9 Ultra proudly boasts an IP68 rating, signifying its robust resistance to environmental damage. This remarkable achievement makes the Tab S9 Ultra the first major flagship Android tablet to offer this level of protection. With its impressive 1848 by 2960 resolution and smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. However, Samsung hasn't rested on its laurels. The Tab S9 Ultra takes display technology a step further. Instead of altering the size and resolution, Samsung has opted for a substantial upgrade by introducing a new OLED panel. This panel boasts a dynamic adaptive refresh rate ranging from 60 to 120 Hz, which not only ensures stability but also conserves precious battery life. Moreover, the peak brightness has been enhanced, making the Tab S9 Ultra a delight to use outdoors, even in bright sunlight. Both tablets operate on the Android 13 operating system and are powered by Samsung's One UI 5.1, offering a familiar and intuitive user experience. However, the Tab S9 Ultra has a distinct advantage as it's a generation ahead in terms of Android evolution. This one-year lead-in software development ensures that you'll enjoy enhanced longevity with access to the latest features and optimizations. However, it's essential to note that while the software is advancing, the optimization of Android apps on larger tablets may still present some layout challenges. The Tab S8 Ultra was no slouch when it came to performance, thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. But the Tab S9 Ultra has taken performance to an entirely new level with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which promises superior speed, 40% less power consumption, and remarkable multi-core performance. These enhancements ensure that the Tab S9 Ultra can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Additionally, improvements in RAM and storage options provide a significant boost to multitasking capabilities. While cameras aren't the primary focus of tablets, Samsung hasn't ignored the photography enthusiasts among us. The Tab S9 Ultra introduces a modest yet welcome upgrade in this department. It features an 8-megapixel rear ultra-wide camera, complementing the existing 12-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera. While this may not seem like a massive leap, it adds versatility to your creative endeavors, capturing moments with improved clarity and perspective. Battery life was already a strong suit of the Tab S8 Ultra, and Samsung has managed to maintain this high standard with the Tab S9 Ultra. Qualcomm's claims of 40% better efficiency translate into real-world results, as you'll find it challenging to drain the battery, even during resource-intensive tasks. This endurance factor makes the Tab S9 Ultra a true powerhouse, capable of keeping up with your demands throughout the day. In summary, Samsung has taken the lessons learned from the Tab S8 Ultra and crafted the Tab S9 Ultra to be a high-powered, portable productivity machine. It addresses the shortcomings of its predecessor and delivers an impressive package with a brighter screen, smoother performance, a powerful processor, and exceptional battery life. Although the price tag of $1,200 for the Tab S9 Ultra may raise eyebrows, Considering the significant upgrades and improvements, it becomes a justifiable investment for those seeking cutting-edge technology. So, what's your take on Samsung's latest and packed event? Did the Tab S9 Ultra meet your expectations, or do you feel there's room for improvement in certain aspects? We're eager to hear your thoughts. Feel free to share your comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging tech content. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the exciting world of technology.